want to show how to give some new life to an old recliner. I put vinyl over the seat by removing the seat and wrapping it tightly around the seat and stapling underneath. In the arms, I used an old sweater, cut it in two and cut off the sleeves and pinched the ends. Actually, I think I folded it over once, and then I pinched the ends, and it covered the seat and the arms, which are the wear areas, and it covers the full length of the arm. And anyway, I just thought this is a real lazy boy, and I just thought it was worth saving.